Good day, viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show off how a solo builder turned a simple idea into a reality. A dream to cook outdoors, built by hand, brick by brick. After hours of planning, patience, and hard work, that dream finally comes alive today. The fire's lit, the grill's hot. The builder measures the ground, levels the surface, and gathers the essentials. These ordinary bricks will become something extraordinary. A wood stove, built by hand, built for the family, and built to last. The builder kneels, arranging each brick carefully, marking the shape of what will soon become the heart of the stove. One by one, the bricks fall into place. The first layer forms the foundation, steady and precise. No mortar yet, just a quiet rhythm of fitting and adjusting. This is where the structure's strength is born. The first stage is done, a clean, balanced base, ready to hold fire, pots, and family meals. Once the layout is complete, each brick is carefully tapped into place. Precision matters here. The foundation must be level and strong. This will carry the weight of everything that comes next. Now, the structure begins to rise. Brick by brick, two parallel walls take shape, forming the sides of the stove's fire chamber. You can already imagine the warmth it will bring on cold evenings. The inner layer of bricks is arranged to leave space for airflow, the heart of the fire chamber. This design ensures that heat circulates efficiently and burns clean. Next, we start building the fire chamber. Here, you can see the builder carefully measuring and setting up the internal support using fire-resistant bricks and a concrete panel. Now, the top slabs are carefully placed, one by one. Each piece fits snugly like a puzzle, forming the upper base of the stove. This layer will bear the heat, the cookware, and countless shared meals to come. This section will hold the main fire where the cooking heat will be generated. Next comes the mortar, thick, smooth, and ready to bind. A final layer of mortar is spread evenly across the top. The surface glistens slightly under the light, signaling the end of one phase and the beginning of another. This is where the real transformation starts. Now, new bricks are carefully laid across the hardened slab. Each one aligned and adjusted by hand. No rush, no shortcuts. This upper section will shape the stove's cooking chamber, where flame meets function. With a level tool, the surface is checked again. Balance is everything. Even a slight tilt can change how heat flows inside. Building a stove isn't just about fire and stone, it's about harmony and precision. A sturdy metal pipe is brought in, its surface shining. The builder marks the spot carefully, ready to cut the perfect fit. Every stove needs a heart, and every fire needs a breath. Piece by piece, the vision grows clearer. With careful hands, the metal drum is marked and measured. Precision here means safety later. Every line will guide the cut, every mark a promise of accuracy. The grinder roars to life, its sparks dancing across the surface like fire meeting its future home. Each pass carves out the shape that will become the stove's beating heart. A clean line opens on the steel body. The door's curve is smooth and deliberate, built for both beauty and function. Next, the drill comes into play. Small holes precisely placed for hinges and locks. Every screw, every bolt ensures that this door will open with ease and seal with strength. The hinge is aligned, tested, and fastened tight. Metal meets metal, not with force, but with intention. A A final pass of the hand smooths every edge. The door swings open freely. What was once an empty drum is now the start of a powerful, efficient stove. The family stove is beginning to take its true form. A final round of cutting. Sparks fly one last time as the edges are shaped to perfection. This moment is about precision. Every curve and cut ensures a seamless fit when metal meets brick. Now comes the moment of connection. The polished steel chamber is lifted and set gently into its place atop the brickwork. A perfect union of strength and craftsmanship. Inside the chamber, layers of heat-resistant bricks are carefully arranged. These will store and radiate warmth, ensuring longer, cleaner burns. A smooth layer of mortar is applied, sealing every joint and gap. This keeps the airflow steady and the heat focused, a small detail that makes a big difference. The stove is nearly complete. With every brick set and every seal tightened, the path for fire and smoke is defined. Brick by brick, the steel chamber is positioned with care, sitting snugly between the sturdy brick walls. It's the core of the system, where flame, airflow, and design finally come together. Each opening is checked. Small adjustments now ensure a smooth draft later when the fire comes alive. Notice how the builder leaves space for airflow and access points. These openings will improve combustion and temperature control later on. Next, the metal drum is installed on the right side of the stove. This will serve as the main cooking or smoking chamber. A metal door is also attached for easy access. The builder adjusts the plate for a snug fit, then smooths out the inner surface. Precision here ensures the stove will heat efficiently and stay structurally strong. The opening is cleaned, smoothed, and fitted with a solid hinge. Inside, a divider is added, separating the burn zone from the air chamber. Layer by layer, the brick walls are raised, using cement to bond each row. The base stretches out, forming a flat surface for cooking and airflow. Each brick ties into the next, locking the metal chamber firmly into the heart of the stove. Layer by layer, the structure grows. The sides rise higher, enclosing the steel body, heat-proof, durable, and ready to serve a lifetime of family meals. A channel is left open below, the hidden airway that will feed oxygen from beneath, ensuring every fire burns bright and efficiently. With the brick foundation now complete, it's time to place the concrete slabs on top. These slabs will serve as the stove's main cooking surfaces, providing strength, stability, and heat resistance. Carefully aligning each slab ensures even weight distribution across the brick chambers. This step is crucial. A level surface guarantees safe and efficient cooking later on. Next, an opening is marked for the cooking pot. This section will act as the main heat chamber, channeling fire directly to the cooking zone. Once the slabs are in position, a metal lid and drum are fitted snugly into place, forming the stove's secondary burner for boiling or heating water. Now, the builder applies a fresh layer of mortar mix on the surface. This will seal the slabs together and prevent smoke from escaping through the gaps. Each section is evenly covered with thick mortar, ensuring the structure remains airtight and solid once it dries. Step by step, our stove is taking shape, ready to serve the family in many ways. With the slabs secured in place, a generous layer of fresh mortar is spread across the top. This will seal every joint, creating a strong, unified surface that traps heat and protects the inner layers. Using a trowel, the builder smooths out the mixture, carefully guiding it to every edge. Patience here makes all the difference. The smoother the finish, the better the heat will distribute during cooking. Each pass of the hand refines the surface further, removing air gaps, filling corners, and shaping the perfect contour for the stovetop. The top layer is now smooth and even. Once the surface is leveled, it's time to bring in the finishing touch, the heat-resistant tiles. Each piece is carefully set into the mortar, forming a sleek, durable stovetop built to last for years. Precision matters here. The builder checks every edge, ensuring the tiles sit perfectly even. No gaps, no wobble, just a clean and level finish. With each tile in place, the top begins to take shape, reflecting both craftsmanship and care. A stove that's not only functional but beautiful in its simplicity. Using a trowel, the builder smooths the edges, sealing every joint neatly. This prevents heat loss and gives the stove a refined, professional look. Now the top gleams under natural light, solid, glossy, and ready to face the heat. The transformation is clear, from rough brick to a polished cooking station. With the top complete, attention turns below, checking the airflow chambers and brick layout. Every opening must align perfectly for the fire to breathe freely. With the main surface in place, the builder now adds a divider wall. This separates the fire chamber from the cooking section, helping to control airflow and heat direction. Each brick is positioned carefully, locked into place with fresh mortar. The clean, straight lines are not just for looks. They ensure even heat circulation inside the stove. The upper section will soon hold the grill and cooking surface, so the builder makes sure every corner is square and level. Small adjustments now make a big difference later. A new layer of mortar is spread, forming the base for the next set of bricks. The smooth, even spread helps bind everything tightly, giving the stove long-lasting strength. Bricks are now stacked to create the grill chamber, an area designed for roasting and open-fire cooking. The spacing here allows proper ventilation, so the fire can breathe easily. To support the top layer, steel rods are added across the chamber. This hidden structure gives the stove added durability, able to hold heavy pots, pans, and even water containers. Once the rods are set, mortar is applied evenly over them. This creates a solid slab, the perfect platform for the final cooking surface. The side walls begin to rise, enclosing the grill and channel areas. Every layer of brick adds strength and insulation, keeping the heat right where it's needed. Here, the builder starts assembling the firebox section of our outdoor stove. The builder carefully lays bricks in a rectangular formation, creating the base and side walls. A metal tray is embedded into the wall, likely for airflow or ash collection. Precision and level alignment are crucial at this stage to ensure stability. Next, more fire bricks are added to line the inside of the combustion chamber. These special heat-resistant bricks will help retain and distribute heat evenly. Notice how the builder uses a wooden stick to gently position the bricks and tap them securely into the mortar. Every layer must be tightly set. These metal rods help distribute the weight and provide structure for the upper layers. The firebox is beginning to take its complete shape. The next step involves preparing the top cooking area. The builder measures and places more bricks across the middle section, sealing gaps with mortar. Meanwhile, on the side, you can see a secondary compartment forming, possibly a grill or an oven section. Every part of this layout is designed for multi-purpose outdoor cooking. A layer of cement mortar is applied over the top edges and seams to smooth out the surface. The result is a solid, rustic outdoor cooking station. While the bricks are set, the builder cuts custom marble or ceramic tiles for the stove's countertop. Using an angle grinder, he carefully shapes each piece to fit perfectly over the brick structure. These tiles not only add a clean, modern look, but also make the stove easy to clean after cooking. With the structure complete, the final step is to smooth the surface. This gives the stove a clean finish and ensures the tiles sit evenly. The result is a solid, rustic outdoor cooking station. Next, we install the metal cooking plates and covers. These parts will hold the pots and pans and help control heat while cooking. Below the stove, there's a built-in metal storage chamber, perfect for keeping utensils, seasonings, or charcoal neatly stored. After a few finishing touches and a quick cleanup, the outdoor brick stove is ready. Strong, functional, and perfect for grilling or slow-cooking meals outdoors. Handmade entirely from bricks, cement, and a few metal components. The fire's lit. Our outdoor brick stove has come to life. The builder places the food on the grill. It's the first cooking test, and everything works perfectly. Both the stove and the grill perform flawlessly. Every brick was set by hand, every detail crafted with patience. Now it stands complete, ready for countless meals and memories outdoors. The result is a solid, rustic outdoor cooking station, handmade entirely from bricks, cement, and a few metal components. Or traditional style cooking. And there you have it, a complete DIY brick stove built from scratch. With patience and precision, you can create a practical and beautiful cooking setup right in your backyard. Thanks for joining this build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video for more creative build ideas.